You've got your Areca RAID card or enclosure installed? Awesome! So, what's next? How do you set it up, monitor it, and make sure it's running at its best? That's where Areca's management system comes in. No matter which product you're using, the management tool works the same way. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download it, install it, and get started from scratch. Step 1. Download ArcHTTP. Open your browser and go to areca.com.tw. Head over to Support, then click on Download Center. Pick any type and model name, it doesn't really matter here. Under Item Type, select Driver Utility. If you don't see that option, try switching to a different browser. Scroll down until you see ArcHTTP, and download it. Step 2. Install ArcHTTP. Extract the file you just downloaded. Double-click the setup file and go through the installation. There aren't any options to choose, it's a straightforward process. If you already had ArcHTTP installed, it'll just update instead of reinstalling. Step 3. Launch ArcHTTP. Once the installation is done, search for ArcHTTP on your computer and open it. Give it a couple of seconds, and your Areca device should show up automatically. From here, you'll be able to handle all the basics like creating RAID sets and adjusting volumes. And if you need more advanced options, just click on Advanced Features. That will open your browser and launch the Areca GUI, also known as Graphical User Interface. By default, the login username is admin, and password is 000040. And that's it, you now have access to all the features you'll need. In the following videos, we'll dive into each section in detail, so stay tuned.